Today I'm taking a look at the VEVOR Diamond Core Drill Bit Set. This is neat. They actually gave us a 115 millimeter cutting disc, so if we need to cut tile, we can actually do that with this. We got our instructions. And there is the case. That's some nice foam padding they got on there. So, one thing I'm noticing, these are threaded for an angle grinder, which is excellent because angle grinders go much faster, which means that these are actually going to cut very rapidly. We can see this is labeled 35 millimeter, and this one is a tapered cone bit. So that way, if you want to clean up your edges, this is going to be an excellent bit for that. We do have an adapter, so if you want to run these with a drill, it looks like we can do that. We have a 20 millimeter, it looks like we can cut straight down. It's also going to be excellent if we need to cut a channel, or if we just need to cut a wall out. So this is very nice. I also really like the weight of it. Like, this is a heavy feeling tool. And they even put flats on it so we can grab it with a wrench so we can get down the chuck nice and snug. Now it looks like they put the diamond pretty deep, so give you a lot more usability if you wanted to cut out a radius, you could almost use the side of this. But also going to be good if you're going to be starting out at a 45 like you're supposed to, so you can get that cut started before you actually put it down flat. So this is our largest at 65 millimeters, and then we have a 50 millimeter. Then we got 38, 35, and 25, so if you need a 1 inch, this is going to be very close to that. And for our smallest, we got a 10, 8, and 6. And these are already packed with cooling gel, so you don't even have to worry about it. You can actually drill dry with these if you want to. Do you want hearing and eye protection for this? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start this at an angle. When I get a kind of a rough cut, I'm going to tip it up, and we'll drill all the way through. So we can see we passed clear all the way through, and it actually looks pretty good even on the other side. And these types of bits, they are just the best for this. The ones that can actually go on the grinders. If you already use the drill style, these things are just so much faster. You can see I already kind of melted away that wax. So in the future, I'll either dip this again or I'll just do the whole thing wet. If you want these things to last a lot longer, you always do it wet. It also really helps with dust, but you can see this did not really produce a ton of dust. So yeah, these are some awesome bits.